Hi, I'm Scot Mentzer with Orchard Hill Mortgage, and this is your weekly mortgage update. Okay, let's take a look at last week's mortgage rate recap. Mortgage rates moved higher last week despite consumer inflation data coming in at or better than expectations. Rates started today, Thursday, improved, but most lenders repriced to worst rates as the day progressed and markets lost ground. Friday was another bad day for rates. Let's take a look at this week's mortgage rate forecast. This week doesn't show any signs that rates may improve, and there isn't a lot of economic data to look to for help. The outlook right now is that rates may move to the highest levels of the year this week and are not likely to improve much from here in the foreseeable future. So let's take a look at what's affecting rates this week. Two items: economic data and the Fed. There's not much on the calendar this week that will affect rates, but markets will be watching Tuesday's retail sales data and Thursday's unemployment claims. Signs of a strong economy are not good for mortgage rates. And today, it's Tuesday, and we did get the reports on retail sales, and there was an increase of 1% since June, showing a strong economy still. Consumers are still spending. Unfortunately, this could impact the next item affecting rates this week, and that's the Fed. Mortgage rates will struggle to improve if markets increase expectations that the Fed could raise its policy rate again this year. Mortgage rates will not move much lower until the Fed begins cutting its policy rate, which isn't expected to happen until sometime next year at the earliest. So, economic data and the Fed. Today we got the retail sales. They were strong, which is good for the economy, but unfortunately could be bad for mortgage rates. So we're just going to have to keep watching. We have the unemployment report on Thursday. We won't have a Fed meeting until September, and all of the markets are watching to see what they're going to do. So I'll keep you posted. That's all for today. Well, that's another episode of the Weekly Mortgage Update. I'm Scot Mentzer, Orchard Hill Mortgage. Thank you for watching, and hopefully I'll see you again next week.